Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that is, I don't know, maybe a good idea to start, but I'm starting to see it go into a wrong direction, is the Microsoft Edge browser. So Microsoft Edge has started off as a interesting idea where you had a Chromium-based version of Edge that was redone and restarted, and it looked interesting. And honestly, I am a user of Microsoft Edge. Now, it moved away from what Microsoft Edge was at the beginning. One of the things that I noticed is that a lot of the features that are requested from the old Edge, an example, set tabs aside, has, of course, never reappeared in the Chromium Edge. And what happened is at some point, you notice that whatever people are asking, and I'm not joking, but set tabs aside is up there in the top recommended things that and features that people would like to see back in the new Edge. And, we talked in the past in some ranting videos of how Microsoft seems to not listen and do just what it wants to do. Now, there's a few things that bother me. Although, they can help you maybe save money. I've noticed, for example, when I go on Amazon or if I go on eBay and I look for stuff, it will light up at the top saying, there's a coupon you can put at checkout and stuff like that. Okay, I can deal with that, and if it saves me money in the end, it's kind of an interesting feature, but, it's business features. But now there's a new one that they want to implement, which would actually, because what they want to do is add the possibility to have payment method directly with the browser and have those split in, for example, four easy payments, stuff like that. I think this is going a little far in what Edge should do when you actually purchase stuff online. I'm not sure that this is a good idea. And I am starting to think, that add the fact that they're trying to implement a lot of the Teams features, kind of integrate somehow Teams and Edge. And I'm starting to find that Edge is, like I said, started off as a good idea, but it's going in the wrong direction suddenly. I like Edge. Like I said, I use Edge. It is something that I have been using every day. I like it. I like Edge more than I like Chrome, even though, it depends what you do, basically. And it's also a, getting used to the browser, because the browser is more getting used to it than anything else, because all browsers in general do pretty much what you want. It's just that, you'll have as a favorite browser. And depending on what you want to do and what you want, everybody has a browser for what their own use, basically. I don't know, but, I was looking at comments this week when I was talking about, I ranted about the fact that, they're making it harder and harder for Edge to be removed as a default browser. And, honestly, it's starting to look like Microsoft being a bully, and I kind of don't like that. And now you look at what they want to implement in there and, kind of have you pay in 4 easy payments and whatever. Is what the hell's happening and what the hell is going on? Where are you going with all of that? These are not features that should be in your browser. These are features that should be at checkouts of wherever you're buying stuff. Add to the fact that they don't listen much to what people want to have. I'm starting to think that, what's going to happen to the future of Edge. Right now, it's not very high in usage, and most people still use Chrome. I see some of you saying, oh, well, Edge is going to be the new Chrome. At some point, it's going to be dominant. I'm not sure about that. Well, we're going to see. Only time will tell, as they say. But I would like Microsoft to just kind of sit down, look at it, and kind of let us know and turn Edge around a little bit and say, look, We've heard you. This is what you want. We'll have a nice, fast, performant browser. No extra fluff that's useless. And we've listened to you. And these are features that you wanted. Here they are. I'm starting to worry about where Edge is going at this point, honestly. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.